Facing Wi-Fi problems after upgrading to iOS 18.2? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through a few easy fixes to get your connection running smoothly again. The first step is a simple restart. Swipe to turn off your device, wait a few seconds, and then hold the power button again until you see the Apple logo. Once your phone restarts, reconnect to Wi-Fi and see if the problem is resolved. If the restart doesn't do the trick, try forgetting and rejoining your network. Go to Settings, tap Wi-Fi, and locate your network. Tap the eye icon, then choose Forget this network and Confirm. Afterward, reconnect by selecting your network from the list and entering the password. This can fix common connectivity or authentication issues. If the problem persists, the last resort is resetting your network settings. Keep in mind that this will delete all saved Wi-Fi networks and VPN setups. Navigate to Settings, then General, and scroll to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, choose Reset Network Settings, and Confirm. Your iPhone will restart, and you can reconnect to your Wi-Fi network afterward. And there you go, 3 simple ways to fix Wi-Fi connectivity problems on iOS 18.2. If this tutorial was helpful, tap the like button and consider subscribing for more troubleshooting tips and tricks.